Hey everyone, let's talk about the even function in Microsoft Excel. The even function will round a number to the next highest even integer. So, as you can see here, we supply the function with a single argument that is a number. Although simple, this function can be very useful. Let's explore a couple examples using the even function in Microsoft Excel now. As you can see here, we are given a list of numbers that we need to round up the integers. To do this, let's go to this column and click equals and then call our even function. Then, let's click our cell to the left that we want to round up to the nearest integer. Clicking enter, we see that 3.1 is rounded up to 4 as expected. Now, in our second example, we have 2.9, which we could expect to round down if we were moving to the nearest even integer. However, as we talked about briefly earlier, this function will only round up to the nearest more positive or more negative even integer. Therefore, we get 4 again as a result. To demonstrate this in the negative direction, our even function will round this negative 0.01 to negative 2. If you use the even function on an already even integer, the result will just be that even integer. However, if it is not exactly just that even integer, and even the tiniest bit larger, the function will move you up to the next nearest even integer, which you can see here. Lastly, as we also stated earlier, if we enter a non-numeric value as our argument, then the result will be an error as we can see here. I hope that this video helped your understanding of how to use the even function within Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.